This is Anthony. He's my new friend that I met through Instagram. He's also a videographer. How's the matter? It's pretty good. Pretty good. A bit on the thick side, but pretty nice. Yeah. I'm assuming you pour this already.
Anthony is a really talented videographer I met through a group chat. We're kinda at a similar stage where we're both still starting out, so it was good to meet someone like him, especially in Sydney, where it seems like there's fewer creatives out there, or maybe just most of us working in silos. It was great to have someone to throw ideas around with, sharing our wins and struggles. Trying some new coffee beans today. These are from Reformer, which we got it from Bali. It's probably the best cafe that we've been to in Bali. And I would say they are pretty much on par with Honor. Like legit, if you're in Bali, you must check it out. Hands down, probably one of the best beans that I've tried. These ones are for the espresso. I've tried the single origin as well. Both of them are really good. 100% you should try it. Also, I've been trying to eat healthier lately. So been meal prepping. That is one of my goals, to lose more weight in 2026. To be honest, I'm not the best at it, so I try to find the easiest recipe as possible. So I also got this overnight oats, which I was meant to be eating it in the morning, but I just haven't been the best. I've been procrastinating all week and I didn't hit the gym until midday, so here I am having it right now. It's a bit tasteless, so I might need some honey. Good morning. I just received my parcel from the Iconic this morning. Let's take a look. Since my half marathon is coming up in a few months, I want to start ramping up my running so I can prep for it. But running in this weather, I need something a bit more breathable. Something that is not black, because most of my shirts are in black. So picked up some running gears. Got this shirt right here. It's not my favorite color, but I guess it does the job. And got this tie, which I don't feel great about it right now. Whenever I run longer distance, I have this shaving problem between my thighs. And yeah, if you have the same problem, you'll know it's not the best feeling. By getting these ties, I'm hoping to solve the problem. It doesn't look too great. If it's shorts, they're fine at this length, but for ties, it just feels a bit exposed, I guess. I'm not too sure. I might see if I can find anything a bit longer. So the other day I bought a new lampshade and I just want to replace it with that one because I find it a little bit tiny now after looking at it for so long. We'll see how the big one looks. It might be a little bit too big. I don't know yet. We'll see. Whoosh. So this one was the old IKEA lampshade. I don't think they still have this. They changed it to something that's a bit similar to the Hey design. So this is the old design that you can see. Feels really flimsy. It's all made out of paper. Whew. Wow. Okay, that's pretty big, but not as big as I thought, so it's good. I think this is the perfect size. Neighbor's gonna hate me for that. Oh, okay, cool. Ooh, Is this supposed to be vented? How does it look? Is it too big? Maybe a tiny bit, but I think I can get used to it. Hold on. Why is it not on? Okay. Wait, what? It's so much bigger. It doesn't look like it in videos, but it does in real life. Not bad. Not bad at all. So I just came home from Muji and bought some stuff. I want to start something for junk journal, which is basically all the junk that you don't want and then put it in a journal. I just want to document the coffee beans that I've been having throughout the year. Not only is it a good way to record my coffee intake, but also a good way to see which beans that I like over the year so I can repurchase them again. So I bought this massive box to store away some of the stuff that I want to hide. And of course, some new incense because I haven't used this before because the ones that I used to get are from Japan, usually at Beams. So this is going to be my first time trying these. They smell pretty good though. Also, I actually prefer these smaller ones. I don't know, sometimes the long one takes too long to burn. And I don't really like to have that smell for such a long period.
And that's the end of the vlog. Basically a recap of my February. So last month was a bit chaotic. I just had too much work going on and yeah, I basically didn't have much time for myself and I was a bit burnt out. If you want to know more about it, you can watch my previous video. And I just want to say a big thank you and shout out to everyone that has commented, has private DM me. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate those messages. It made me feel a lot better. Like without your support, honestly, that made me feel so much better. So yeah, I really do appreciate your comment. I think I was in a pretty low point and yeah, you guys really cheered me up and I'm really thankful for that. But yeah, I was able to quickly pick myself up. So I got some Boss coffee the other day and then, I don't know, just out of a sudden, this idea came to my mind and I just really wanted to capture that. And yeah, basically I just filmed this like short with no planning. Everything was just all in my head and then just start shooting. I didn't care what happened. I just wanted to do that thing. And by doing that, it made me so much happier. I was able to just let my creativity flow. I mean, it might not be the best work I've done, but I enjoyed it so much. I was filming it and then editing it the same day and then just put it out there. It was one of the most recent project that I enjoyed the most. And I felt like I haven't had that feeling for such a long time. And by doing that, it sort of like kickstart. Oh, sorry. That was another parcel coming in. Where were we? Yeah, so that project really brought me back alive. It kind of remind me what I'm here for, what my purpose for, like why am I doing this? It just made making stuff so much more enjoyable. And yeah, I think now I'm back into that state of mind. So yeah, there will be more vlogs coming soon. So just sneak peek, I'm sort of redesigning my space. So yeah, if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks again for everyone that supported me so far through my journey. Appreciate that.